Thousands of jobs are created every year by growing the bioeconomy that supports climate-positive goals. Wood is the natural resource that feeds this economy, from sawlogs for construction to pulp for paper and even sap for glues and paints. At the end of the value chain, chips and pellets are used for renewable energy. Mobilizing, harvesting and managing wood from Europe's forests is vital to this supply chain. TECH4EFFECT is about linking forest management with improved technology and data collection to make forest operations more efficient. So what does this actually mean? It means improving engineering and technologies for timber production. It also means decreasing environmental site impact. Most importantly, wood supply needs to be accessed from Europe's private and state forests.
So it's all about making additional improvements to existing technologies as the demand for wood increases. To improve the efficiency, we made mechanical adjustments, for example, for fuel savings. We put like EcoForce T-winch to test to reduce environmental impact. We started cable yarding efficiency using Conrad's E-liner carriage. And for wider digitalization of forestry, we created quite a few tools aiming to reduce impact and to increase value.
Many technologies are used in harvesting across Europe. The choice of technology has the biggest impact on productivity. The least efficient harvesting method is the chainsaw. The TECH4EFFECT digital harvesting map shows the type of technology that is used in European harvesting. In countries with flat terrain, like in Sweden and Finland, almost 100% of wood is cut by machine. This is shown on the map in orange, where mechanization is high in northern countries. While in Central and Southern Europe, harvesting mostly is carried out manually, with assistance from, say, a tractor or a cable yarder. In fact, in Europe, almost 45% of value chains still involve motor manual tasks.
So the way that timber is harvested is strongly connected to terrain conditions and also to the ownership structure, which has evolved historically country by country. So small-scale forest ownerships, they offer great potential for earning additional timber resources. And digital tools, they can help to promote this utilization of these resources to use the resource as efficient as possible.
The TECH4EFFECT bucking app was designed by project partners Borku and Latschbacher precisely to make motor manual harvesting more efficient. Improving cutting decisions through using the app gives the farmer a better yield value. It helps minimize waste derived from bad cutting or bucking decisions. The app allows the user to record what has been cut. The user is given a step-by-step guide on how to cut the tree after a visual inspection is done to assess the quality of the wood. The designer of the app, Gernot Erber, tells us who could benefit from using it.
So the bucking app was designed for training and for use in semi-professional environments. For example, like farmers where forestry is a side business, getting the most value out of the resource you have. The app will match tree parameters with your contractual requirements, and in that way you won't waste wood by making a poor bucking decision. Today, forestry is in a transition phase, moving towards Industry 4.0. So the main challenges now is to engage the workforce and to provide robust and adaptable technology for use in practice. So what we achieved across the project in terms of app development, that was conceived around 6 years ago. So since then, the speed of digitization has increased at such an incredible rate. And today, many of the building blocks for digitalization, they are already there. And now it's mostly a matter of putting them together. So what we need to do now is create real incentives for forest actors to use these tools, where they see more benefits than obstacles. And this may take a generation, but I think it's well underway.